Like, it's I don't know how to say it. Yeah, the groceries is so expensive. Even though I shop in like a local place, I can feel like, oh, this used to be 10 baht, now it's 20. Have you considered being a cabin crew? I wanted to be cabin crew when I was young. But I'm gonna say I wanna try, because when I was young, some person, like my mom's friend, said I cannot do that. Like, you can't do that. He said that to me. So I'm like, I can't. But now I'm thinking like, my health is not that great. I have a terrible sleeping because I got hiccup. It's hiccup, right? Like this when I'm sleeping, which means that my breathing is not normal and my back spine is not good, and also my knee. I'm old. Period. Aging. Yeah, actually the spine, my spine is bad since I was like 15. Sign of getting old. What can you say about girls love girls? I'm gonna say love is love. Girls love girl, boys love boys, girls love boy, boy loves girl, gay loves gay. I have so many people around me, like LGBTQ, and I think love is love. That's it. And yeah, it's about two people, two person. Yeah. Which means what's happening, you cannot judge them, and I think it's kind of weird if you put your opinion on another people's relationship and like, you know. Are you into girls? Oh boy, I'm into money, to be honest. I don't mind girl or boy. I'm into money. Just kidding. สวัสดีค่ะ When are you going to go to Iran? I really want to go to Iran right now. Like, I want to go hug my grandma. I miss her so much. I want her to hug me and kiss me. But I cannot. I cannot go right now. I miss my grandma. I miss my ย่า คิดถึงย่า Yeah, the ticket is super expensive. Thank you for the garland. Hi, Sandy. How are you? Do you easily forgive? Yes, I am, but I don't forget. I'm 25 now. Alone, yeah. I'm good. Thank you ค่ะแสนดี I have a crush on your friend คุณอิงฟ้า Okay, get in the line. So many people in the line. I'm getting sleepy. Still no nail extension, yeah. It's feel more comfortable. โสดเหงาพี่ดอน Guys,พี่ดอนis so lonely and single. DM her if you're from Middle Asia. พี่ดอนคิดถึงอ่ะ พี่ดอนไปคอนเสิร์ตพี่ฟ้าปะ I'm lonely. Yeah, she's so lonely, guys. ไม่สนิทกัน จบ จบ ไม่น่าจะไป จบ จบละคอมเมนต์กันเอง ไม่ชอบแล้ว So far away from you. What do you do for a living? Breathe. Drink water. Care about joke na. Care about my own business. Yeah. Survive, yeah. And my friend have a crush on you. Thank you. ทำไมน้องอมแก่พี่แดดไม่มีแรงทำอะไรเลยอ่ะ ไม่รู้จะไปไหน ไม่รู้จะทำอะไรอ่ะ พี่ดอนอยากไปไหนปะว่างป่ะเหอะครูป๊อปชอบร้องเพลง สวัสดีค่ะ ครูป๊อปสอนหนูร้องเพลงหน่อยนะ อมอ่ะ พี่สวยมากค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ สอนครับ Spill your hair care Just watch it เพลงอะไรดี อะไรก็ได้ค่ะ ขอแค่ร้องเพราะ พี่รอนไปยังอ่ะไปแล้วมั้ง Fun fact about Inglot I don't know You're an angel that makes me my heart smile Thank you ฝึกหายใจก่อนครับ โอ้ยากเลยค่ะ เป็นคนหายใจผิดจังหวะ แต่ไม่ใช่ว่าเราจะทำไม่ได้เนาะคิดถึงเซฮุน คิดถึงเซฮุนอ่ะ I miss เซฮุน When is Nisa going to Bali? October. ใจเข้าไปหาเธอใช่หนูร้องเสียงเต็มตัวเองไม่ได้อ่ะมันพอร้องเสียงเต็มแล้วมันเหินอ่ะร้องเสียงหลบก็ไม่ใช่ว่าไม่เหินนะแต่ว่าดีกว่าหนูอยากเป็นคนร้องเพลงเพราะมากๆเลยอ่ะหนูเบื่อมากเวลาหนูร้องเพลงแล้วทุกคนหัวเราะเยาะใส่หนูอ่ะหนูปวดหัวใจเห็นไหมงั้นไม่ต้องร้องดีแล้วจบบล็อกเลยโอเค I'm also going on holiday to Bali in October nice Can you be mine โอ้ในลองไลฟ์นี้ดิอาจจะยังCan come to Philippines on October นะเชียวแหละไม่มีปัญญาทำไมไม่มีปัญญาร้องเพลงช้างไหมเอาช้างกี่ตัวเอาช้าง3หรือช้าง5 Do you have tattoos No Yeah actually ช้างน้องเคยเห็นช้างหรือเปล่าช้างมันโตไม่เบาจมูกยาวๆเรียกว่าง่วงมีเขี้ยวตายง่วงเรียกว่างะมีหูมีตาหางยาวพี่สวยมากขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณนะคะที่ชมพี่ขอบเลย If you go to Bali Thank you ค่ะแซนดี้ Oh my gosh Sandy and หนูดี Sandy do you know that my nickname in Thai is หนูดีเสียงเพราะมากเพราะอะไรถึงร้อง October or rainy season If beauty had wings it would look exactly like you Okay I don't drink beer I don't do beer cause beer makes me bloat cheesy lines yeah I got 100 of that per life from Kiaสวัสดีค่ะ You're so beautiful not singing a song นะบล็อกเลยพูดงี้บล็อกดีกว่าอย่าคุยเลย ชอบร้องเพลงอ่ะมันผิดตรงไหนวะYou and Ingfa has a strong friendship. Yeah, we are. พี่ฟ้าอุ๊ยแอบดูกี้ทำไมเธอฉันจะไปหาผ้าถุงจากไหนวะ The housemaid. No, not yet. Nisa, what do you think I should order for food? I'm starving. Maybe sinigang if you're in Philippines, or pizza or Jollibee. Padikwa. See you next time, everybody. I'm gonna go do my laundry and go find something to wear to Infa concert, you know. Bye.
Bakit hindi kayo nag-share?
Okay lang dyan, di ka naman pupunta din.
Bakit kung nag-share ka, pupunta ka?
Titingin lang.
Pupunta ka pa, wala ka namang bitaw. Huwag ka na.
Ala, grabe, walang
Gagi,
bitaw.
nag-recharge nga
Ayos
yan si
yan, Maya.
Johnny. Huwag mo ano yun, baka mag-recharge yan ngayon. Sabihin mo, oh, may bitaw ako.
Kaya nga.
Wala na,
Kaya
Ma.
nga.
Papasok na
Wala
ako.
mo talagang pilitin yan si Jamie. Baka makaranas na naman tayo.
Sabi, pumasok na ako. Pasok na ako.
Baka makaranas na naman tayo galing kay Jamie. Level
Oo.
25, ang lakas. Huwag kang
Anyway,
ganun,
bakit
ano,
sa
siomay.
Ano to? Sino to?
Si Taurus. Ang buang na Taurus.
Ayoko
Taurus
nang
na lagi nasa
maging
wax bottle.
buta. Oo nga,
Taurus
siya.
na mayaman na yan sa kaka-tiktok.
VIP. Why? Iba naman to na Taurus. Or same lang ng isa, level 29. May level 29
Sayan.
ako nakilala na. Siya yan?
Ayan.
Ah, okay.
Pistika Primo.
Taurus. Ah, okay. Okay,
Kaso
no
mga
comment.
bilihin ngayon sa Pilipinas.
So you're gonna kick them out just like that? My lord.
Kailangan na natin ano,
The other night,
mag-focus sa ano.
Hindi ba marunong magsalita si Primo? Naka-unmute naman siya. May katawag to.
Naka-ano siguro yan siya, naka-duty.
Duty, nakabaon.
Nakabaon yan. Tingnan mo.
Nakabaon ba?
Uy, basang-basa na to si Ubi, oh. Oy, are you okay? Oh?
Nakabaon
Ulan
ba?
kasi. Love you. Gusto ko swan.
Yung pistika?
Ito lang yung nambuburaot ma, pero wala na. Walang level.
Tapos kung binuraw, wala din. Ayun.
I truly like young
Ay, nako. Nakakatawa. Ang bilis ng araw, no? Hapon na, maghahapon na naman. Pep, 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 pep. Ay, nako. Uwi na nga kami, ulan. Masyado malakas yung ulan. Ang lamig.
of course.
Na, 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 na. Kumain na kayong lahat.
Their family, their appearance, their
Hindi
age,
pa.
everything like that.
Ako wala man lang nagsabi sa akin na kumain na ako. Grabe
Kain
naman.
ka na.
Wala man lang nagsabi. Kaya hindi pa ako kumain hanggang ngayon.
Visit, papakamatay.
Sinabihan ako, ay si Melodja, sabi ni Melodja, nagkape ka na? Kaya nagkape ako, pero hindi niya sinabi na kumain ka na ba? Hindi ako kumain, kulang.
Alam ko nagluto ka ng adobo. Nasaan yung ulam mo ng adobo?
Nang nakaraan pa yun.
Ano karama ba yun? Kala ko bago lang kagabi.
Adobo, tas ginamit ko yung toyo ko. Nakakatuwa. Kagabi ko siya pinost. Wala kasi magawa. Ay, nako. Ayoko nang maging panakis butas. Ano next na? Nakalimutan to.
Pumayat nga yan si tita. Nag-diet yan.
Hindi naman ako umalis.
At kumayat na siya, nag-addict kasi siya eh. Nag-addict na eh.
Ano? Ayaw!
Nasubo ka na ta?
Adik sa'yo.
Tita, konti na lang, lulubog na yung pisngi mo. Tita, konti na lang, lulubog na yung pisngi mo.
Hindi na ako chubby. Huwag na ako context.
Inang sawa na sa ating mga kwento. Marathon.
Oo, nag-read ako ng paraan. Last Ramadan. Anong sinabi mo? What did you say about strap?
Wala kang tanong mag-Europe, Jamie.
Ano daw? Mukhang maganda ang item din. Gago! Inaw yung
Oy, Jamie, wala kang balak mag-Europe.
nyo. Ano ako, drug lord? Ayun.
Oy, Jamie, wala kang balak mag-Europe. Bingi ang putik.
Ano?
Wala kang balak mag-Europe.
Planning.
Planning.
Sabay kami ng ano ko.
Tungkol sa'yo, ha?
Sabay kami ng jowa ko.
It's raining!
Is he really that handsome?
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Stella, kayo pa rin ba?
Stella, kayo pa rin ba? Mas premo.
Sino?
Hindi mo talaga. Kahit kailan, maritis
Ba't
talaga.
alam mo? Ba't alam mo, premo? Ba't alam mo, baby?
Sino? Sinong kami?
You little brat!
Ba't wala?
Sino? Si Stella, di ba jowa niya yung binigyan niya ng titiyo? Hindi talaga jowa yun, baliw. Pag binigyan ba ng titiyo at saka layon, jowa agad? Ay, naku.
Lalaki niya yun. Lalaki niya.
Bakit niya?
Lalaki niya yun.
Friend yun, friend.
Wow, friend.
Kaibigan.
Ano all my friends?
Yes.
Friends with benefits daw.
Hindi naakit yun sa live ko, nakanta. Kaya, deserve naman na yun. Di kasi nagpapagift. Si Mab. Issue ka, issue.
Ini-issue ko na eh.
Uy, si Biang oh.
Si Biang, nabuhay? Oo nga.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Naman.
Ano ngayon?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Diba bagay payat kay tita? Sobrang kasi, ang papalitin lang dapat yung tiyan. Kaso,
Hindi man pwede na chan lang lumiit. Kasi lahat naman.
di pwede naman yan. Pagka-late na, pwede siya mag
Ano yun?
Wow.
Gusto pa yun.
katawan naman, katawan. Baga bodybuilder. Depende sa kakainin mo.
Let's remove our
Sa
shoes.
buhatin mo.
Sit down, please. Let's remove your... This one.
Ginupos pa.
Can you please sit down?
Kaya nagginupos ka na daw, sabi ni Primo.
Let's remove your shoes. And then your...
Sabi ni Primo para na
Ay, di mo ba kilala si Zia?
Outfit.
Tita. Tita, di mo
Tada!
kilala si Zia? Hindi mo kilala si
1, 2,
Zia?
3.
Natanong ko.
Good boy.
Sana ba kita bilhin?
Ano ba pangalan mo dati, Zia? Baka anong pangalan mo dati?
Ang happy ending. Ubi, careful, Ubs. Let's go.
So I should practice walking like. You should buy what you want. I give you
Baby boy, be careful. Let's go. Ubi. Ubi. Come here.
May dito ka ba?
I like this one.
Ubi.
Buwang tulog ka.
Kung wala kang date,
Anyway, since you did
Ate Jam, di mo po ako kilala.
Gagi, sumasayaw pala to si Sia, baby. Gagi ka. Stoy. Sumasayaw pala si Sia.
Oops. Careful, okay?
Sumasayaw?
pa to?
Oo. Yung pinapanood mo, parang gano'n.
Dali.
Di. Tartado ka.
Stop ko eh. Tingnan ko eh.
Ito. Di na ako ganun. Mabait na ako.
Tawa, nakalimutan ko yung private. Wait lang.
Mabait na ako, Sumay.
Parang nagkakilala tayo dati, Ate Jamihara. Ano? Sa Team BDG.
Ah, oo nga.
Nakakasira yung panda sa buhok. Tita, parang puyat ka. Nag-away kaya?
Wala, nag-workout ako. Huwag kang manila.
Pinanatsa mo, tita, basa. Dapat blower mo muna.
Blower ako, di ba?
Hindi ko nakita. Sirahin mo yung buhok mo.
Grabe na ibag.
Araw-araw
Parang feeling ko-
araw-araw ka nang gaganyan. Araw-araw ko gumagamit ka. Ninipis yung buhok mo dyan.
Nag-away siguro sila.
May date ako mamaya.
Si May. Si May.
Ha?
Nag-away siguro sila. Siguro hindi nagpaalam lumabas kagabi.
Pakitin mo nga dito.
Tapos ang sabi na si May, kasama niya yung kaibigan niya. Yan pala yung asawa niya.
Wala na naman si tita. May asawa ka pala.
Magpataba ako ulit. Ayoko na. Grabe ka. Tapos napatabain mo ako ng 6 kilos. Oh my God.
Sabi ko sa iyo, tita, magpahaba mo na ng buhok eh. Hindi ka pa nagpahaba eh.
Napahaba na nga ako ng buhok. Papahabain ko na to.
Ba't ka nag-private siya? Bakit? Tinignan ko lang naman. Baka kilala kita eh. Asa hindi.
Hindi ako talaga simit. Sumunod na kayo na ito.
Yung stock ko. Kahit ako sumasayaw eh. Yung pinapanood ni Stoy.
Bago ka na ba is
Sasayaw. Sumasayaw ng ano, ng sa Bisaya.
Si May.
Ha? Last? Ano yan? Sino yan?
no, lalaki listo eh. Lalaki listo eh.
Diyan may pataba ka unti. Huwag mo na patabain yan, primo.
Kaya nga, huwag mo na ako patabain.
Nakakain na ng maratbo yan eh.
Kapag ano, kami.
Nasaan to si Buwang? Nawala na.
Paano mapapataba?
Ano nakakaya, Zia? Bakit nakakaya? Huwag ka mahiya, Zia.
Parang ano,
Primo nga eh. Endorser ng Jollibee yan. Jollibee hotdog. Paborito niya Jollibee hotdog.
Primo, okay na ako sa katawan ko. Gusto ko nga palas pa ng 4 kilos. It's 50. 50 yung ko, goal.
Yang. Malaki pa rin puso niyan, tita.
Para ba akong matanda?
Tumayo talaga si tito.
I will prepare a different meal. Oh, salty. Salty. It is not salty. It is. My face gets puffy if it's salty. I understand.
Sabi ko sa'yo, okay lang eh. Kailangan ko pa ng more.
It's night to party.
May ito pa ako. Ito katawan ko ngayon kasi nag-gym ako.
Ah,
Isn't that the awesome appetite? Not hungry. Do you have something to drink? And a rice punch? They're perfect for
Ayan o. Primo.
gotten married. One of them definitely would have died in a fight.
Buak. Babadoy ba ako ng panamit? Buang ka. Ayan o.
Rice punch is sweet, right? And it's too
Oh.
cold for you? Rice punch is supposed to be like that, okay? Why are you getting mad at me? You're discussing me?
Abdomen ko.
Because I get agitated when I'm anxious.
Yung core ko, saka yung
Then why don't you go home?
yung glutes ko. Kasi nawawalan ako ng pet eh.
Truly despise you. My mother's. I was lucky.
Iya. Sa kumot-kumot.
Oo, inulit niya pa. Private ko na nga eh.
Powers and spell-related powers. Mommy hit like that.
Bisaya dance ba? Bisaya ka, day.
Hindi.
Tagalog yan si Zia.
No, hindi po. Ano ako? Chabacano.
Ay, tsabaka. Mapuputi ang tsabakano. Mapuputi.
Well, I have heard there are shots.
At sabagana ka? Sabagana ka?
Magpantay ang kulay ng mga tsabakan. Kung ano yung kulay ng singit nila, ganun din yung nila. Kilikili nila.
Ako naninigarilyo. Sira ulo ba to?
Leon is alive.
Yan yung healthy lifestyle ko tapos maninigarilyo lang ako. Ayop na yan.
Saan ka pupunta, Primo? Babaon ka na naman.
Diyan ka lang, primo.
Si Primo, bababa. Magpaano nga ako ng buhok ko kasi patay na naman.
If there are actually social in the palace,
Primo, huwag kang bumaba, na-miss kita.
fucked up. Why is the cast out successor worrying about it? I have not been cast out. He already regrets it. You were so confident yesterday.
Papakita ka nga, Primo. Alam mo, hindi ka nagpapakita sa amin, ha?
You'll have no idea how we feel, right? What do you mean?
Parang hindi sa akin bagay, Shem, na mahabang buhok.
You'll remember that time I brought the gold
Shem,
and we all decided to
piling ko lang.
Bagay yung
Pwede.
ganyan ate.
Ano, pre,
Pero,
pwede mo.
i-messy-messy mo lang. Maganda yung ganyan. Yan, palabas.
Tita, sumobra yung payat mo.
Same yung sa akin. Ganyan din yung akin eh. Wait.
Wala na bang payat ko?
Oo. Dapat yung tiyan ng pinaliit mo.
Malit na nga chan ko.
Oo, di magpaano ka ulit. Papa ka ng buhok.
halata sa mata na ano, pumayat ako. Nag-workout kasi ako kanina, kaya ganito mata ko. Yung kamay ko, ang dami ng ano.
Sabi ni Baby Premo, mukha ka daw buwan. Payat. Mang full moon.
Mukha ba
Mukha ka daw full
ako?
moon. Oo. Mo, itas mo yung buhok mo, mukha full moon.
Mukha yung buhok. Mga ganito, yung ganito. Kaya nga, messy. Messy hair na. Pa-messy. Ano mahaba yung buhok?
Magkailala pala daw kayo ni Sia. Ba't di mo matanda na si Sia?
Hindi ko matandaan that.
Matagal na yun. Matagal. Siguro mga 2022 or 2023.
23.
Yeah, 23.
Mataba pa ako nun eh. Sobrang taba.
Yes, mataba pa siya nung time na yun.
Mukha ka daw full moon, tita. Kasi yung noo mo, kumikintab na eh.
Kasi naka-botox yan.
Sakit lang ah.
Naka-botox yung buhok ko. Pero sa pa-botox ako, pero meron na, bumabalik na last ano pa kasi.
Ha? Lali? Ha? Wait, wait.
Pamadan pa kasi ito eh.
Imagine how I felt burying that. We got caught soon after because did we confess? Almost.
Oh, pangit ba, Shems?
Half buried it.
Bogod naman no.
I thought the story had an honorable ending.
Sabi to Lizzie, may bibigay sa iyo si brother na to nila kasi. Sige.
Next year.
Pencam na si Jollibee.
Pangit, parang walang nangyari, no? Ate, hoy, bakit tumamba ka?
Come on, Oak. Oak, having me on your side will not be my fault.
Charot la!
Especially
Bakit? Mungang magnet si Jollibee.
Grabe si Ate Stella, na-memerson na.
Bakit naging McDo si Jollibee? Hindi ko rin alam, be. Bakit naging McDo si Jollibee?
just walks away.
Wala ka mang duty, meron. Humihilik. Si Sheila. Coffee with cinnamon stick. Primo, sa Manila ka ba? Parang wala akong tulog. Pagod na pagod ako sa pag-workout ko. Pagod yung katawang lupa.
Ako.
Hi, boss. Ayos ah. Akit ka? Ay, ano pala ako dito? Dito. Gusto mo umakyat? Hoy, tahimik na kayo lahat. What? Ay, papakilala ko sa jowa ko.
Saan ka ba pupunta, primo?
Ay, primo yan. Diyan ang jowa ko. Primo yung makilala. Barko. Parang barko.
Mahilig ako, Jami.
Mahilig ko.
Lakas. Walang bago, primo. Tangina mo.
Ba't ang aga mo matulog buwang?
Pagod ako, gigising din ako. Mamaya, umuulan siya, guys.
Umakyat ka. Gusto ka nila makilala.
Saan dito yung jowa mo?
Andyan.
Primo,
Hindi,
ingat ka palagi, primo. Love, love.
Sa labas
Gusto
ko.
niya ka mo. Excited si primo makilala yung jowa niya. Agawin ni primo yan. Agkat ka, tito.
Dali na, umakyat ka. Gusto ka nila makilala. Mga ano ko to, mga friend ko dito.
You cannot discard me like please.
Kuyaya ka pa. That's napapan lang. Ayos ah.
He must
Sige,
have
wag
been
ka umakyat.
worried and scared about doing something he knew for certain was wrong in order to protect his friends. You are right. I remember it clearly. It was quite painful.
Hoy, primo, sinirano pa ako. Buak. Ayos ka. Nanira ka pa sa akin na.
Hindi naman ganun karami.